And so, again, one last look here at the threefold flame before you close your eyes for this. Let's see. All right, take a good snapshot of it. So, we now invite you to begin to take a deep breath in and out. Breathe it in and out. Breathe in deeply and out. Begin to imagine a warm golden light within your heart center. Allow for this golden warm light to expand into your body. Allow for this golden warm light to expand into your aura. Allow for this golden warm light to expand into your room. Now, dear ones, imagine for all of your angels and guides and your galactic family, flight, the ascended masters, and everybody that you love to be around you. They're all holding the light and are sending you their love. And now bring your awareness to your heart center, to your threefold flame. And as you begin to feel and sense this threefold flame and the love within your threefold flame, imagine to send your love upwards through your head, out your head, upwards to your I am presence. And say in your mind, I love you. And breathe. And allow for the love of your I am presence to flow back into your body, into your heart, into your entire being. Breathe it in. Breathe in these loving energies. Now bring your awareness back to your threefold flame and get a feeling for the size of each of the three flames. The pink flame, the yellow flame, and the blue flame. And just get a feel if there is any difference in the size. Are they all equal in size or are they different in size? Now, allow for the love of your I am presence to continue to flow into your threefold flame to balance out all the three flames to make them all equal in size. Simply watch and observe these flames to balance out and to be all equal in size. And now, dear ones, as you have balanced your threefold flame, allow for this threefold flame to increase in size, for it to increase more and more. With every breath, this threefold flame increases now more and more, till it fills your entire body. And now increase it even further out till it fills your entire aura and it enfolds you in the love of your I Am Presence. Feel the energy of this threefold flame enfolding you, strengthening you, expanding, feel it increasing even further out into the room that you are in, into the city you're in, the country, and the world. Let this threefold flame of love, wisdom, and power enfold your planet and fill it with divine love, wisdom, and power. And when you feel complete, simply open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, your head. Welcome back, dear ones.